Do you have a habit of spending too much time on social media? Instead of wasting time, why not put your time to good use and earn money online? You don't have to be concerned because this requires no prior knowledge or experience. If you want to learn more about it, keep an eye on this video. Who wouldn't want to see $10 or more in their PayPal or bank account several times a day? Although $15 or $30 may seem insignificant when added up over time, they add up to a significant sum of money per day. Not only that, you'll be able to cash it out right away and be paid via a variety of methods, including PayPal, bank transfers, and more. This website that I'm about to show you requires zero investment and is definitely 100% free. There's no need to be concerned if you're from another country, because our website is accessible to people from all around the world. I'm extremely eager to share this website with you and see how it works for you to earn money from home with no fuss. I'll also be giving free suggestions that will boost your earnings by up to 3 times. Make sure to pay attention to everything I demonstrate and say in this video. But before we go further to this video, welcome to my channel, where we'll teach you the most up-to-date strategies to make money online. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. Okay, let's get started with a tutorial. The first thing I want you to do right now is go to emeraldapp.com. Once you're there, you'll see a quote that says, "Let's make the web a better place." You don't have to worry or doubt because this is a 100% legit company that is taking a toll on the internet. It's also a great way and opportunity to make money even if you don't have any skills. I'll continue by revealing the step-by-step approach for making a substantial amount of money online with you. As previously said, all you need to do is go to enrollapp.com and click on the green sign in button. If this is your first time using the website, simply enter your email address and create a strong password before clicking on the sign in button. The process is very simple, but before you can create a free account, you must first check your email and click on the verification link that was sent to your email inbox. You can easily activate your account by clicking on the verification link in your email inbox once you log in. So once you log in, you can actually see your mission progress. My progress here has been 0% since I logged in with a fresh new account. After you complete each mission here, the little count will go on from left to right, and it will be moving to the right as you start undoing progress. And as you complete more projects and missions, you'll continue to progress and you will be able to earn extra cash prizes and even bonus money. These are just some of the reasons why I would recommend this website to beginners. Because it is an easy-peasy thing to do, and there is no investment required. Keep watching as I show you how to double or even triple your earnings. If you return to the website, you'll notice in your dashboard when you scroll down how many questions you've answered. You can simply answer yes or no to this question. If you select yes, you'll be taken to a page that shows a statistics of the surveys and the percentage of those who select yes or no. You do not need to pay attention to this. Instead, click continue after you have completed another poll question. And your polls will eventually go from 0 to 20 depending on the polls that you have completed. Note that it is critical that you answer this poll question for you to generate money. The more polls you answer, the chance of earning more. Given your demographics, the websites will make it easier for you to receive more missions that are based on your interests, allowing you to make and generate more money. As you can see, my points have returned to being low simply because I am using a completely new account that is solely for this tutorial. The next tip for earning money on this website is to go to your dashboard and click on Achievements. You'll be able to see your progress here, and you'll notice that I was able to earn 1 badge by simply answering polls. This will be my first mission, as it says here. Welcome to Mission 1 Earth. Now you must follow these instructions to take the test and answer the full question. You must also be active, which means that you must be online. You must log into your account every day in order to gain bonus points. If you do it for 30 days in a row, you'll be able to complete mission number 1. If you keep doing the same thing, or if you keep doing more posts, you can go from left to right and see all the badges that you have earned. The more badges you have, the more points and bonus money you will receive. If you want to make double or triple money, take this tip that I'll be giving you when you log into your account. You must first click on this arrow button and then just select this task preference. Then you'll be able to see test preferences. So make sure your profile is up to date. Don't worry, your responses will be kept private and confidential. Also, on a device that you can test, I want you to select all of these 3 devices: mobile, tablet, and desktop. The reason for this is that the more devices you select, the more tasks you'll be able to complete. There will be more posts for you to answer, which simply means you'll be earning more money. Now let's go to the testing availability section, where you'll be asked what is the best time for you to receive the test. I want you to select Send B tests as soon as possible, because when you do, you will be sent more tasks inside your account. Don't forget to select this. Send me an email when I qualify for a test. You can even enter your phone number to receive a notification when a new test is available for you. If you want to earn more money, just repeat the process as many times as you want. All you have to do now is focus on your progress and complete each mission. By doing so, you'll be earning more points and badges, and your progress will grow from 0 to 90 or even 100 once you start earning. You just don't stop. Just don't stop and enjoy the process. And that's it. If you love some more content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.